We got a decent rain yesterday. It was decent if you were in the right spots. We'll take a look at the map here, and where you see the green, that's anywhere from half an inch up to an inch of rain, and then below half an inch where you see that light blue, but you can see some places here in Johnson County farther off to the west where you didn't really get a whole lot. But the good news is over the weekend, we do have more rain coming. It's going to be a chilly rain. Unfortunately, that may mess with some of your weekend plans, but I will say that for now, it does look like a pretty good coverage of rain expected this weekend. So if you didn't get rain yesterday, don't worry, there's more chances out there. Today, the highs will be decent, pretty close to normal, 58, 59 degrees overnight. Tonight, 34, 35. I think that there will be some who drop below freezing here, so bring in the plants and the pets if you're concerned about that. Some of those low-lying areas could be 31, 32 degrees overnight. No hard freezes out there, but enough maybe to wreak a little havoc there. Allergen forecast is right about the same as it has been the last several days. Medium range with juniper and ragweed as your main concerns there. I want to jump right into the map here and just kind of talk about what we are expecting. You see this low pressure system here in in northern Mexico, southern Arizona and New Mexico there. That will move. Spin doesn't want to seem to cooperate there. But this low pressure system will move northeastward and bring us rain this weekend. We had this weak front that's moving through. That'll bring us some breezier winds and, of course, help us cool down overnight. We will warm up a little bit before that storm gets here, then we'll be much cooler. Actually, we won't warm up. Today's going to be the warmer day, closer to 60 degrees. Tomorrow, we're in the low 50s. We'll stay there. And then early next week, we warm up briefly before another big cold front comes in and really cools us down. So when you look at the trends here, we're not allowed much of a warm up here. We have one day where we'll be close to the 70s. But this week, front moves through. That'll bring in drier air. We had that fog overnight. This will bring dry air in, allow us to cool down tonight. And then this low pressure system, the rain starts probably Friday night, throughout the day Saturday, and there might be some lingering rain Sunday. That's looking less likely at this point. I think that Sunday will probably be dry across the area, and then we're dry and warm Monday, then much cooler Tuesday and Wednesday. Now, yesterday you saw me post on the page about how one of our weather models was predicting some moisture in the area while we had very cold temperatures overnight Wednesday. The thing is, well, overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning, I should say. But here's the thing. That model very quickly abandoned that. So right now, it does look like Wednesday is dry. So let's just get into this forecast here today. 58, 59 degrees for your highs. So it is a little bit on the warmer side, at least compared to where we will be. Pretty cool overnight. Some of us will freeze. 51 tomorrow, more clouds as that system moves in, but we will have more humidity, which means we won't cool down as much. And then Saturday, most of us probably stay in the 40s, a few low 50s there. Not very chilly overnight Saturday night into Sunday. Again, that moisture is going to help us moderate those temperatures. Closer to 60 on Sunday as the rain moves out and the clouds clear up. And then Monday, our one really mild day, 69, close to 70 degrees. There could be some low 70s, breezy southwest winds. And then we get to Tuesday and Wednesday, we're in the mid 50s. We could be in the low 50s Wednesday. And yes, I expect a more widespread freeze Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. Doesn't look like we'll get that midweek chance of rain that I was looking at, but there are more chances if we look farther in the forecast. But again, as quickly as the models got rid of the moisture for that midweek chance, any of that could change as well. So stay tuned. We will be covering the rain this weekend. I'll make sure you're prepared for that. Just if you have weekend plans, prepare for it to be a chilly rain out there. Your nicest day on the forecast here is going to be Monday. It'll be mild before a stronger cold front comes in and brings us back into the 50s for the middle of the week next week.